Hello students, how are you? So today we are going to start new chapter 3, coordinate geometry. First of all, today I'll discuss about the basic concept of coordinate geometry. Very first point is here, Cartesian system. My dear students, do you know what is Cartesian system? Actually, the system used for describing the position of a point in a plane is known as Cartesian system. How? Suppose this is the plane I have taken. If I have taken one point over here, this is point and A. I indicate this point A. Now how can I tell the position of A over on this space? So the system by which we can know the point A lies on this pair at which position, that is called Cartesian system. Now second point, Cartesian plane, or we can say coordinate plane. What is Cartesian plane or coordinate plane? I am reading the definition and I explain you with the example. If O be a fixed point on the plane of the base, and now draw two. Suppose O is plane. Question is like here, O, I have drawn one O point. Okay, O is this is a plane, point on plane. O is a plane of base, and now draw two perpendicular line. Two perpendicular line means first I am drawing one line, just like that we draw in number line. I am drawing one number line. This is, see, this is horizontal line I have drawn. This is O, origin, and here you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, and this I have taken X positive, and if you go from this side 0 to that left side, then negative 1, 2, 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. This is X dash. X dash means X negative. So this is horizontal line on this space. Okay. Now what is saying here in the definition means, now draw two perpendicular lines XOX. XO means X, this is X dash, XOX, XO dash, XOX dash, and YOY means one more line you have to draw perpendicular to this horizontal line, that we will do perpendicular line. Perpendicular means second line we will draw vertically. Okay, vertical line, sorry. The vertical line we will draw which intersect point on O. Now I have drawn another line, vertical line. This is vertical. Okay, this is horizontal and this is vertical. So vertical line we have taken, that is Y, and here down Y dash. Y dash means negative. If you go downwards from here origin, then it is negative. If you go upward, that is positive. So take 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Positive, this is positive, and this is O point from here, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5 and so on. So this is, now this space is known as Cartesian plane. What is known as Cartesian plane? Here you can see what is written here, XOX dash means XOX dash, this horizontal line, and YOY dash means YOY dash is vertical line, and both lines are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular means they are making right angle. See, right angle, right angle, right angle, 4 right angle, and vertex they make 4 right angle, vertical issue. Okay, the plane is called Cartesian plane. So this plane is known as what? Cartesian plane or coordinate plane we can say. Hereafter you can see next, coordinate axis. What are coordinate axis? The horizontal line XOX is called x-axis. Horizontal means this horizontal line XOX dash is called x-axis, which is called what they call x axis. This is called x axis. Okay, and the vertical line y o dash is called y axis. Vertical line y o y dash, this is called y axis. Y axis, this is called y axis. Okay, see together. And point O is called origin. Point O means this here. Point O is called origin because here the value of x and y always 0, 0. This is origin. We start point from here always. Origin. That is called origin. Hereafter, quadrant. You understood what is Cartesian plane. You understood what is axis, x-axis, y-axis. Okay, and that horizontal line, vertical line, and thereafter we'll learn about the quadrants. What are quadrants? The coordinate axis divide the plane of the page into 4 parts. This actually both line, perpendicular line, horizontal line and vertical line, divide this whole plane into 4 parts, which these 4 parts are called quadrant. First, see, this is called first quadrant. First quadrant. Why first quadrant? Because first quadrant lie x o y. See, x o y is called first quadrant. Positive x, o and y is come. Second quadrant, this is called second quadrant. We run anti-clockwise, means clock move in this direction and we move in that direction. So this is first quadrant. Then second quadrant. In second quadrant, what we speak, x dash o y. See in the notes, x dash o y is second quadrant. Okay. Then third quadrant. This is third quadrant here. Third quadrant. In third quadrant, you can say x dash o y dash. See, x dash o y dash is third quadrant. Then fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant is here. Fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, x o y dash. X o y dash. This is fourth quadrant. Now, convention of the sign. How can you decide the convention of sign? We can decide by the 3-point quadrant, nature x and y, and sign of the coordinates. In first quadrant means x o y. X o means the origin, y is always x and y both are positive. Means x is greater than 0 and y also greater than 0. That's why the sign of x and y coordinate plus x and plus y. Both are positive. See in the example. Here I have drawn for you. This is the Cartesian plane. This is horizontal line, x-axis. This is vertical line, y-axis, and here quadrant first, second, third, and fourth. In first quadrant, you know that x, o, y, positive x, o, and positive y. So whatever the value will come here in this first quadrant, always x is also will come positive and y also will positive. X comma y will come positive in first quadrant. Now second quadrant. Second quadrant is given here x dash o y. Means x is negative. X is less than 0 and y is more than 0. So x is negative and y is positive. So we can write here value minus x comma plus y. Means the value of x always remain negative because we move from origin to left side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and on this 1, 2, 3 by my plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, that's why this is x is negative and y is positive. So in second quadrant, x remain negative and y is positive. Now third quadrant. In third quadrant, x dash o y dash means x is also negative and y also negative, because if you move from here origin, so this is negative 1, 2, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and if you go downwards, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 also. That's why both here x and minus y become negative. Minus x and minus y both are negative. See, x is also greater less than 0 and y is also less than 0. So x and y both are negative. Next, fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, x o y dash means x is positive but y is negative less than 0. So we can say here x positive and y negative. So the sign of here x positive and y is negative. So these are the sign. Now next, what is abscissa and ordinate? Actually x is called x coordinate or abscissa. X is known as abscissa or x ordinate. We can x coordinate is called abscissa, when the y coordinate is called ordinate. Y is called, or y coordinate is called what? Ordinate. So you should remember this abscissa and ordinate also. Origin. Origin means O is called origin. Its coordinate are always 0, 0. Here the coordinate, this is called origin point. The point where both line means horizontal line and vertical line intersect each other at right angle, that point is known as origin, and the coordinate of origin always remains 0, 0. Okay, x is also 0, y is also 0. Okay, so what you understood? X coordinate is called abscissa. Y coordinate is called ordinate, and both together are called coordinate. What they call? Coordinate. Means x and y. X is alone is known as abscissa, y alone is known as ordinate, and both together are called coordinate. Okay, and origin I told you. So these are the basic concept. Please revise very well so you can understand nicely. Thank you.